Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the grilled squid with strawberry jam in Heartopia. So in this new event called Officials event, you can cook any new special food, and one of them is the grilled squid with strawberry jam. And to cook this food, first you need to unlock the recipe first, and then after that, go to your tidal stove first. You need this stove. This is the special stove for this event, and then after that, just choose this grilled squid with fruit jam recipe, the original recipe that you can buy it from the NPC Massimo. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need the Japanese flying squid that you can fish it at the whale sea. In here, you need the sea grapes and wakame that you can get at the whale fall canyon. And then in here for the fruit jam, just replace it with the strawberry jam. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking. And then just cook the grilled squid. And just like that, you will successfully unlock this grilled squid with strawberry jam recipe like this. And the recipe will be added to your collections automatically. Like this, you can see it. It's so cool. And okay, that's it for fun this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!